I was standing here at Clearview Christian Fellowship. This is our home church when we're here in Buena Vista. And I think we'd been here 2 weeks, and I was waiting for Marilyn. She'd gone to the ladies' room. And I was by myself. I don't know a lot of people, but I'm glad it worked out this way because I had like an epiphany. I was standing here and minding my own business and just watching all the people. They'd come out of service and they were in the lobby and they were all chatting. There must have been 50 to 100 people all conglomerated together, and it was so cool. The Lord spoke to my heart and He says, "Do you know what you're seeing?" And I said, "Yes, Lord, an after service gathering." He says, "No." He says, "Yes, but you're also seeing citizens of heaven." I go like, wow, that is so cool. He says, what you're experiencing by watching is what's going to happen in eternity. All these saints will be gathered together in heaven, speaking to one another, loving one another, encouraging one another, and sharing all that I did in their life. And it's going to be a glorious place. You see, what happens is because we live on earth, we don't think much about heaven. And then when we do, it sometimes is so ethereal that it seems unreal and so separate from our life. But can you imagine just sitting around, talking, standing with saints of all ages, thousands of years, Adam, all the way down through the prophets, Moses and various people, David, and talking to them just like in the lobby, like people just talking to one another. But they're not going to talk about sports and weather and things of this earth. It's all going to be of what God had done in their life to bring them to that place. Glorious, glorious experience. And we have to have that hope. The Bible mentions at least 6 times that we're citizens of heaven. Jesus Himself said, "I go to prepare a place for you, that where I am, there you may be also." Heaven is very real, and it's a place where saints gather together. They worship and exalt the Lord in the holiness and in the beauty of His presence. Thank God that we have an eternal home, a citizenship not on earth, but a citizenship in heaven. I leave you with this word to pause and ponder.